Dear students, today we will discuss about application of derivatives, exercise 6.1. So, applications of derivatives means these things are used in engineering, science, social sciences, and like economics fields. So, some important results here. In the first exercise, we study about rate of change of quantities. What is this rate of change? किसी क्वांटिटी का जो चेंज होने का रेट होता है, जैसे लाइक अर्लियर वी हैव स्टडीड y is equal to fx, it is a function. If we differentiate this, so dy by dx is equal to f dash x. That differential of y with respect to x के रिस्पेक्ट में y का डिफरेंशियल हम निकालते हैं. So every rate of change of y becomes this symbol is delta. Delta means change, delta x, यानी dy के प्लेस में डेल्टा मीन्स कोई भी लाइक वॉल्यूम एरियाज चेंज, इफ चेंज हो रहा है उसको बोलेंगे डेल वाई, डेल्टा वाई बाई डेल्टा एक्स. इट वाज द एवरेज रेट ऑफ चेंज. नंबर सेकेंड इज instant rate of change. Instant means we can say instant like sudden change. कोई चीज चेंज हो रहा है टाइम के कंपेरिजन में, कोई चीज चेंज हो रहा है उसको बोलेंगे instantaneous rate of change of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. And related rate of change, it is also dy by dx, but it can be found out by dy by dt by dx by dt, but dx by dt not equal to 0. So we will use this thing in this exercise 6.1, the instant rate of change. We will do some questions based on these formulas. So now see, question number 1 is find the rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to its radius r when a is, two questions here, r is equal to 3 centimeter, r is equal to 4. The rate of change was here. This rate of change of area of a circle. Rate of change किसका चेंज? Rate of change area with respect to r. Clear? It is mentioned here. Like if you write a dy by dx, it means there will be differential of y with respect to x. So we write dy by dx. But here rate of change of area, that means it becomes area is a, that means dA by d, it is r. We calculate this dA by dr. So we write here, let a be the area of a circle of radius r. See the question once again, find the rate of change of this. Okay, then and we should know the area of circle formula. Then area of circle what becomes? Area of circle क्या होता है? पाई आर स्क्वायर. और निकालना क्या है? फाइंड द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ द एरिया, that means dA with respect to r dr. It is to be find out. Now dA by dr, इसमें तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. dy by dx, y का डेरिवेटिव x के रिस्पेक्ट में. a मीन्स dA रेट ऑफ चेंज, किसका चेंज है? एरिया का. रेट ऑफ चेंज dA by dr with respect to r equal to ddr, and what is area? Area is pi r square. इसका निकालेंगे डेरिवेटिव. So pi is common और r square is 2r with respect to r. r square का डेरिवेटिव r के रिस्पेक्ट में क्या होगा? 2r. That means here we are getting here dA by dr is equal to, यहाँ हम लोग को मिल रहा है 2 pi r, 2 pi r, and this radius is given here 3 centimeter. find the rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to radius when radius is r is equal to 3 centimeter. Thus when radius is equal to 3 centimeter, so dA by dr is equal to 2 pi into r is 3 is equal to 6 pi. और इसका यूनिट डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट द यूनिट. यूनिट कैसे लिखेंगे? एरिया. एरिया का यूनिट क्या होता है? हियर इट वाज इन सेंटीमीटर, सो एरिया इज सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर बाई रेडियस इज सेंटीमीटर. सो डोंट फॉरगेट, नहीं तो सीबीएसई में हाफ मार्क्स रिजेक्ट हो जाता है बोर्ड एग्जाम में. वेरी इजी हियर. जैसे कि एरिया का होता है मीटर स्क्वायर या सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, एंड दिस रेडियस इज मीटर और सेंटीमीटर. सो हियर रेडियस इज गिवन सेंटीमीटर, सो इट इज सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर बाय सेंटीमीटर. इट इज द आंसर. सो इट वाज द solution of part A. Now part second is, now B is, it was A. Now B is radius is 4. In this case, when radius is 4 centimeter, in this case rate of change of the area dA by dr, already we have this 2 pi r, so 2 pi into r is 4, 8 pi also centimeter square per centimeter. So it is the 8 pi centimeter square is the rate of change of the area. It is the, hence in this case rate of change of area is 8 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Like the same, we can write here rate of change of the area is 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter. So it was the solution of question number 1. Now we will do question number 2. Now question number 2 is, the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per centimeter. Centimeter cube per second, I think. Sorry, this per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? Increasing. Same thing, rate of change of volume. How fast volume of cube is increasing at the rate of this 8 centimeter cube per second? How fast the surface area decreasing when the length of an edge and the side is given? And what is to find out? Actually, surface area increasing, rate of change of surface area means ds by rate of change with time, ds by dt we have to find out. Or it is the cube. We can make the figure of this cube. Cube means length, breadth, height all same. Length, breadth and height all are same. So you can say it is the cube. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए क्यूब इज इंक्रीजिंग एट द रेट ऑफ, यहाँ से क्लियर हो जाएगा किसके रिस्पेक्ट में इस क्वांटिटी इज गोइंग टू बी चेंज. 8 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब दैट मीन्स वॉल्यूम का यूनिट सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. और सेकेंड किसका यूनिट होता है? सेकेंड इज टाइम. इसे समझ जाना है, क्लियर टेक्निक है यहाँ पर. इट इज रिस्पेक्ट टू रेट ऑफ चेंज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. So we write here, let volume of cube, let V be the volume, next quantity surface area, V be the volume, S be the surface area, and edge means side, B A, it is A. सिंबल शब्द लिखना पड़ेगा. एरिया का A, वॉल्यूम V, साइड इज A. So what is to find out actually here? First, what is given? It is given that volume of cube increasing means rate of change of volume with respect to time. With respect to time, that means dv, rate of change of volume, that means dv, v means volume, rate of change of volume dv किसके रिस्पेक्ट में? टाइम, that means dt. dv by dt it is given this 8 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. इसी समझना है, ये वॉल्यूम है, ये क्या है? टाइम है. एंड व्हाट इज टू फाइंड आउट हियर? वी हैव टू फाइंड हियर हाउ फास्ट इज सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीजिंग, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ सरफेस एरिया, दैट मीन्स ds with which respect dt is equal to क्वेश्चन मार्क. इट इज टू बी, ये हम लोग निकालना है. नाउ dv by dt equal to this d and what is v, and we should write some formula here. Volume of cube is equal to a cube side cube and surface area is equal to 6 into side square. याद होना चाहिए, ये it should be learned. v is equal to volume of the, v is equal to a cube, a means side or edge. So dv by dt, d dt, what is v? v is a cube. Now this is equal to differential of a cube with respect to t, that means 3a square, nx to the power n minus 3a square. So this 3a square dv by dt, it is 8. Also we can write dv by dt is equal to 3a square and this is equal to 8. That means 3a square and also dA by dt. Don't forget here, chain rule applying here. a cube x cube का डेरिवेटिव 3x square and again dx by dt. Like that we apply here chain rule. So it is dA by dt, sorry, this 3a square dA by dt and this is equal to 8. So therefore dA by dt equal to 8 by 3a square. It is question number 1. चेक करते हैं, a क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव 3a square t के रिस्पेक्ट dA by dt and this dv by dt is equal to 8. It was 8. So 3a square dA by dt is equal to 8. So dA by dt is 8 by 3a square. Now ds upon dt is equal to d dt. What is surface area? Surface area of the cube is 6a square. We write here 6a square and this becomes 6 is constant, a square is 2a into dA by dt and getting is 6 to the 12a into dA by dt, equation number 2. So now ds by dt is getting 12a into this dA by dt and dA by dt we have this is in equation number 1. dA by dt already we found here 8 by 3a square. From where we get? From equation 1. Equation 1 से मिला है dA by dt is equal to 8 by 3a square. ये dA by dt के प्लेस में रख दिया 8 by 3a square. a and this a cancel it was square, and this 3 4 are 12. That means ds by dt equal to this 4 into it, 4 is a 32 by a. Now what is the a? A means age of the cube. So how fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is? It is given 12 centimeter. Thus when a means age is equal to 12 centimeter, in this case ds by dt equal to 32 by a is 12. So 4 8 32, 4 3 is 12. 8 by 3, and check the unit. A surface area centimeter square, time is second. Very easy to write the unit, but it is must write this. ds by dt सरफेस एरिया का यूनिट होता है सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, टाइम का हो गया सेकेंड. सो इट इज द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.